Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have a final project share for you all. This is for Craft Purge. Takes it back to the 80s, 90s swap. And I wanted to show you the final product before I bag it and send it out. So they're all pretty much the same, except, you know, a few elements would be different. That's all. So anyway, you'll see when you'll understand when you see it. So this is the first one. This is the one I made for Toni, and you can see the whole thing right here. This is the pocket, and I have everything in the pocket. Everything fits in the pocket, so I'm so happy for that. I will put it in a big plastic baggie so that it's all one. I'll package it up, and then I'm going to be adding some curly ribbon on there and probably a little alpha letter for Toni so she knows which one is for her. And I'll show you real quick. Again, that is the front of the boombox. Everybody's seen it already, so let's go through it. Here I have my two embellishments, and they look like that. And then my little bag toppers, I got two in there. And then my little record shaker sequin mix. I'm going to open this up real quick because I did do a little bit of embellishing. I added some ribbon for closure and this little record on the front. It spins. Oh my God, it was so fun making this. And then I just sealed it with a little ribbon there. Added my label on the back. Hopefully it can focus. So there you go. That's what I got. And I'm just bagging it up in a little plastic bag. Let me turn this record so it's facing the right way. Okay, and that's the only one I'm going to be opening. I'm not going to open the rest. They all spin. So, well, the records on this shaker mix spin. And then I did a trinket box. I'm not going to open this either, but I took a piece of the digital paper from Louisa and just made a little wrap around here. I took some ribbon and tied a bow. And there's my label on the bottom. And then I made sure I could see the faces of the ladies on there. So my little trinket box has a few charms and some plastic dangles. And then this is the Memdex. I got it all wrapped up. And each of the magazines has, in the inside, you can open it up. You can pull these out and open them up. It's got some info about myself. So instead of writing the info on the back, I put it inside the magazine so they know. And then you can also pull out this little teeny tiny cassette tape right here. I don't know why my video is not focusing. Anyway, so yeah, there you go. That's that. This is the surprise package for each of the swaps in Toni. So hers has a T on it, and then I've got Tiffany on the front on the label, and then I added the pair of shades on there, and then I did a little belly band and some of the washi that I picked up from Hobby Lobby just to give it some color. Oh, look at that paper. It's a heart-shaped leopard paper. And then here's the box with all our dangles. I've already showed that in previous videos, but what I added to the side panels are all the embellishments that are from Louisa's digital kit. All right. And it's the same on this side here. And I added some of the extra record labels that I printed out just to add, further emphasize our music theme for my swap. And then I'm going to put everything back in just like so, because they all fit in nice and snug as a bug in a rug. I can get my embellishments in there, and I can add my little trinket box, and then let me fix my roller skate a little bit. My little roller skate wants to bend. Don't want that. Okay. Not make it so tight. Hopefully that helps. All right, put that back in. And put my cassette tape back in. I think they look fabulous. Oh my gosh, if I can get it back in. There we go. It's snug. Snuggy, snug, snug in the bug. All right, so they're all the same, and this is what the side of this box looks like. They are all different on the side panels as far as what embellishments. You can see all the holographic stickers I put on top of the printouts. And this is the last one. Look at that. And then this is the last side. So now I'm going to just bag it up. All right, so let's get this wrapped up. I got a big 12 by 12 cellophane bag that I'm going to put them into. It looks like this. I don't know if you guys really want to see this, but here we go. I'm going to get this in here, and so I could stop fussing with it or touching it. Yeah. Ooh. I do want shred. Hold on. Ooh, guys. Okay. I did find some shred I bought for Easter last year. So I've got some green, white, and some pink. And I also have this pink. I don't know if I'm going to use all of it, but I don't know. This is the noisy part. I don't know how you guys do these. Guys, this is like straight up Easter shred. Okay. I'll try to cover it up. Some of the stuff. This is not good. I am the worst. Oh, I'm so sorry. Sorry, Toni. Here. Okay. That is all I'm going to put on there. I don't know if I'm going to use the white, but that's enough. That's enough shred. And then I'm going to close this up. Girl. Get this. Oh. Dang it. All right. I mean, don't want to make it too tight. And then I mess up myself, my bag. So let's get some tape. I think I'm only going to do this one on camera, and then the rest I'll do off camera. Because it's too time consuming. Get this tape here. And you guys, it's not the best angle. I know it isn't, so I'm sorry. And then this, I'm going to tape this way. Like so. so. Close that up. It helps with when I go to box it up. So my little Rubik's Cube is secure. Sides are secure. And nothing. There we go. Just like that. Okay, this one is for Toni. I'm gonna put that in the front. That's even better. I just need a big T. You know, like Mr. T. Let's see, how am I going to do this? Looks like a store-bought gift, right? I think that's cool. What do you think? Cute. Can I just use hot glue on this? Does this have... Yes, this is appealing. All right. Just glue this down. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Gotta wait for the hot glue to heat up. Do I need the hot glue? I don't think so. Yeah, there we go. Perfect. All right. I need a letter T somehow. Hold on. Okay, guys, so I'm back. I put the bow on the package. It looks like it's staying. I'm just nervous that it's gonna fall off in transit, but I also freehand cut a letter T. I could have cut it with a Cricut, but I'm trying to hurry up and pack it up because I need to get on to the next projects, and the sooner this gets to her, the better for me, because I don't have to worry about a deadline. So I just took some cardstock, some of that shiny cardstock from Hobby Lobby, and freehand cut the T, and then I just added the hot glue on here. Just keep it really, really simple, and this is what it looks like. Oh my God. Look at it. So she'll definitely know this is for her, you know, and the other two will be for my swap partners. Yeah. Anyway, I'm going to do the rest off camera, and then I'll come back and share with you all. Hopefully I can get it all done. So, yeah, I'll be back. Okay, guys, so I finished it up. This is what I've got. So this is the final product. The T is for Toni. I did make a tag for my gift or my swap. So I made a little cassette tape on Cricut Design Space, added the information, and then I added my info on the back, on the bottom. And on the back, I just used some of my scrap papers that were left over just to cover up the back so it's not so white. And it looks like this. So that one's for Toni. And then this one is for my swap partners. And I got the big old swap partner on there, so she definitely will know which one is for swapping and what's for her. So that is it. Now I just got to find a box to put them all in, and hopefully it's all safe. So again, if you're new here, welcome. Please join our crafty family and hit the subscribe button. While you're there, hit the notification bell. That will let you know when I load a new video like this or when I go live here on my channel. Thanks again for watching. Thumbs up this video, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.